Welcome. If you're looking to clean up your Instagram profile by deleting shared posts from your activity, you're in the right place. Whether you want to remove old photos, declutter your feed, or simply start fresh, I'll walk you through the updated steps to delete shared posts from your Instagram activity. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your device and make sure you're logged in to your account. Once you're on the main feed, head over to your profile by tapping your profile picture at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you straight to your personal page, where you can see all your posts and highlights. Next, look for the three horizontal lines, also known as the menu icon, located at the top right corner of your profile page. Tap on this menu to reveal a list of options. From the menu, tap on Your Activity. This section is where Instagram keeps a record of all your interactions, including posts, comments, and more. It's the perfect place to manage your content. Now, under the Content You Shared section, tap on Posts. Here you'll see a list of all the posts you've shared on your profile. Scroll through your posts and find the ones you want to delete. To remove specific posts, tap on Select at the top right corner. This allows you to choose multiple posts at once. Simply tap on each post you want to delete, and you'll see them highlighted or checked. Once you've selected the posts you want to remove, tap on Delete at the bottom of the screen. Instagram will ask you to confirm your choice, so go ahead and confirm. The selected posts will be permanently removed from your profile and activity. And that's it. You've successfully deleted shared posts from your activity on Instagram. Keeping your profile up to date and organized is now easier than ever. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out more tips for managing your social media. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.